In front of me is MediaTek KT107, and let me show you how to download Chrome browser. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store. There in search area, enter Chrome. Obviously, this is the same way that you can download any other app. So just provide the name of some particular application. In my case, it's Google Chrome browser. Then tap on download. It will be downloaded and installed. And now you can smoothly open Google Chrome by tapping on Open. And here it is. So you can use this new browser. This is how you can download it and install. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.